In today's video, I'm going to teach you: does ChatGPT have a word limit? The short answer is yes, ChatGPT does have response limits. While it can generate long and detailed answers, every reply has a maximum length. That means if you ask for something very large, like a full article, report, or script, the response may stop before the entire piece is finished. This is completely normal, and it does not mean the tool failed. It simply means the answer reached the maximum size allowed for that response. Another important thing to understand is that very large requests may need to be split across multiple responses. So if you ask for a 3,000-word article, for example, ChatGPT might write part of it first and then continue in the next message. A useful prompt for that would be, write a 3,000-word article. If you reach the limit, continue in the next response. That gives clear instructions and helps the conversation flow smoothly. It is also helpful to know that response limits can vary depending on the model you are using and the platform where you access it. In addition, long conversations have context limits. This means that after a while, especially in very long chats, the system may not keep every earlier detail perfectly in focus. So for larger projects, staying organized is important. One of the best ways to handle long content is to ask ChatGPT to work section by section instead of trying to generate everything at once. This usually gives you better quality and more control. For example, you can say, write a 1,500-word blog post one section at a time. That approach makes the writing easier to review and adjust as you go. You can also request an outline before asking for the full article or report. This is a smart way to plan the structure first, confirm the direction, and avoid wasted revisions later. A great prompt for this is, create a detailed outline first, then write each section individually. For best results, generate the introduction, body sections, and conclusions separately. Then review the outputs and combine them into one final document. Using summaries and outlines can help you stay organized, especially for long writing projects. If a response stops midway, simply use a follow-up prompt, asking ChatGPT to continue from where it left off. Overall, yes, ChatGPT has a word limit per response, but that should not stop you from creating long-form content. The key is to break big projects into smaller tasks, guide the process clearly, and continue the conversation as needed to expand or refine the final result.